Hi, my name is Rosalind Nelson-Gamblin, and I will be leading Mitigating Noncompliance, What to Expect During an LHH or Licensed Home Health Survey or Investigation at TAC's Survey Preparedness Workshop. I'm really excited about it. My session will highlight the frequently cited areas of noncompliance for licensed home health agencies in Texas. And in a review of the frequent citations, I will list possible mitigation strategies, some required documentation, and some of the pressure points for self-assessment. Attending this training will really help the agency prepare for surveys and investigations by strengthening the understanding of state licensing standards and expectations. I believe survey preparation is of vital importance, not only to prevent citations of violations that can lead to costly administrative penalties, but also to ensure that quality delivery of care and services by qualified and fully vetted staff is throughout the agency. And in my 20-year relationship with the Texas Association for Home Care and Hospice, I found that presenting at these conferences and educational events gives me the opportunity to understand the challenges and needs of home health agency administrators while also reaching a wide audience of engaged staff. Education and information sharing are really key to quality health care.